GK Kids.
A thirsty crow. One day, a crow felt very thirsty. He flew from one place to another in search of water. After long hours of searching, he found a pitcher. In the pitcher, the level of water was at the extreme bottom. He tried to dip his beak but did not succeed. He did not know what to do. Suddenly, some pebbles lying nearby gave him an idea. He dropped the pebbles one by one with his beak into the pitcher. The level of water slowly came up. The crow then drank the water and quenched his thirst. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way. The Fox and the Grapes. Once upon a time, there was a hungry fox searching for food in the jungle. After going from place to place, he saw a bunch of ripe grapes hanging from a vine. He looked at them greedily and his mouth watered. But the grapes were too high. He jumped and jumped with his mouth raised, but could not reach the bunch. He was soon very tired and totally disappointed. He went away saying that the grapes were sour. Moral: do not speak ill of what you cannot get. The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Once a cap seller was going to the market to sell his caps. He felt tired and decided to rest under a shady tree. He put his bundle of caps on the ground and slept off. Lots of monkeys lived on that tree. They opened the bundle and put the caps on their heads. When the cap seller woke up, he saw that his bundle was empty. He looked up and saw that monkeys were wearing the caps. He tried in many ways to get the caps back but did not succeed. He knew that monkeys imitate very well. He got an idea. He threw his own cap on the ground. The monkeys imitated him and threw their caps on the ground. Happily, the cap seller collected his caps, tied them in the bundle, and made his way for the market. Moral: cleverness always pays. A Lion and a Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. One day, the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The lion woke up. He caught up the mouse and was going to kill. The mouse requested for forgiveness. The lion let him go. After some days, the lion caught in a net. The mouse cut the net with his teeth. The lion was free. He thanked the mouse. Moral: do good, have good. The Proud Rose. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful rose plant in a garden. One rose flower on the plant was proud of its beauty. However, it was disappointed that it was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the rose would insult the cactus about its looks, but the cactus stayed quiet. All the other plants in the garden tried to stop the rose from bullying the cactus, but the rose was too swayed by its own beauty to listen to anyone. One summer, a well in the garden dried up, and there was no water for the plants. The rose slowly began to wilt. The rose saw a sparrow dip its beak into the cactus for some water. The rose then felt ashamed for having made fun for the cactus all this time. But because it was in need of water, it went to ask the cactus if it could have some water. The kind cactus agreed, and they both through summer as friends. Moral: never judge someone by the way they look.